Khulumbai, memorandum ko memorandum to Sri Narendra Damodar Das Modi, Honorable Prime Minister of India, through Sri Dilip Kumar Das, ACS, the Deputy Commissioner, Udalguri BTAD Assam, for reconsidering the verdict of life imprisonment to DR Nabla and 9 other NDFB members, as well as a plea for their immediate release, submitted jointly by Borough Women's Justice Forum, Borough People's Committee for Peace Initiatives, and Society for Indigenous People's Rights. Honorable Prime Minister, sir, with all due respect, we the undersigned, on behalf of all our organizations, would like to bring to your notice the recent verdict handed out to Ranjan Demari, alias DR Nabla, and 9 others, void CBI case number 59K. On the outset, we would like to state our serious displeasure at the verdict in the middle of the ongoing peace talks between the Government of India and the National Democratic Front of Bodoland. We have never seen in the history of a great country a verdict like this, where the supremo of an organization holding peace parleys with the Government of India is handed a lifetime jail justice sentence. It pains, saddens, and angers us greatly as representatives of the peace-loving Boro public to see these types of gross injustices meted to our Boro leaders. We believe this will set a bad precedent for other revolutionaries who are thinking about talking peace with the Government of India. We believe that they may use this entire sad episode as an argument against coming to the peace table. The timing of the verdict leads us to suspect that the entire process of the fast-track trial was engineered by vested elements in the Government of Assam to scupper the ongoing peace talks between the Government of India and the National Democratic Front of Bodoland. This entire situation leads us to assume that there are forces within the state government of Assam whose aim is to sabotage any successful peace talks within the two aforementioned sides. We strongly urge through this memorandum to kindly reconsider this verdict of lifetime jail sentence to DR Nabla and 9 others of the National Democratic Front of Bodoland. A positive review of this case will surely lead to a surge of other revolutionary organizations coming forward to talk peace with the Government of India when they see the earnestness and steadfastness of the Government of India. We, the Boro people, are hopeful that this present peace talks between the Government of India and the two factions of the National Democratic Front of Bodoland will lead to a just and an honorable settlement for the Boro people. And in this regard, we would like to state that an honorable solution will never be possible without leaders inside the jail. Even now, the Boro and the tribal peoples of Assam are being continually oppressed and suppressed by the state government of Assam through the trampling of a land, language, and customary laws, which were enshrined in the constitution of our great country by the founding fathers of a country. We have seen through the history of post-independent India the breaking up of Assam as a state because of the Assam government's continued use of state machinery against its erstwhile tribal ethnic population. In conclusion, we are hopeful that the Government of India will listen to our earnest plea so that this current situation of immense turmoil, anxiety, and anger of the Boro people can be controlled in a calm manner by releasing DR Nabla and his 9 associations so that the peace talks continues unhindered. Thanking you.
NDFB long live!
Long live! Long live!
NDFB long live!
Long live! Long live!
DR Nabla long live!
Long live! Long live!
DR Nabla long live!
Long live! Long
No
live!
Nabla no peace!
No peace! No!
No Nabla no peace!
No peace!
No
No!
Nabla no peace!
No peace! No!
Jai Boro Harini!
Jai!
Jai Boro Harini!
Jai!
Jai Boro Harini!
Jai!
Divide Assam!
Fifty!
Divide Assam!
Fifty!
Divide Assam!
Fifty!
Jai Boro Harini!
Jai!
Jai Boro Harini!
Jai!
NDFB long live!
Long live! Long live!
NDFB long live!
Long live! Long live!
NDFB long live!
Long live!
DR Nabla long live! DR Nabla long live! No Nabla no peace! No Nabla no peace! No Nabla no peace! We want justice! We want justice! We want justice! No justice, no rest! No justice, no rest! Jai Boro Harini! Jai Boro Harini!
जामाल गेदेत बारबुदांसा बसुमतारी बिथाङा दिनैनि बे मेम'रेन्डामखौ फरायथिना होबाय आरो बे मेम'रेन्डामखौ जोङो मिनिस्ट्रेटनि गेजेरजों जों बेखौ आसाम एडिसि बिथाङा लांबाय गथायनो हाबाय जोबोद जोबोद गोजोननाय थाबाय आजावनायनि थाखाय